again, this is Calum from Turmeaus Chester, and today I'm sampling a bowl of Germains Medium Flake. Now, the rich dark flake from Germains is probably one of my favourite tobaccos. It's, as you're probably not surprised to hear, very rich, very dark, but it's got this amazing, sweet, sort of treacly, slightly spicy character. So I assume this was just going to be a slightly toned down version of that, but boy, I couldn't have been more wrong with that. This is quite a light flake, consisting of red, brown and golden Virginias. And if I show you there, it's a very, very fine flake. It rubs down into very, very fine strands, which makes it very easy to pack and light. But the thing to really take home about this is the casing. It's got this insane, fruity, slightly citrusy casing to it. When I first opened the pouch, my immediate thought was strawberries and cream. And then there was this very slight tangy edge for the citrus, and it just smelled absolutely incredible and completely not what I was expecting. Once I actually lit it, I did get some of the fruitiness through, much more on the citrusy side, this really nice tingly, tangy taste, alliteration, which worked really, really nicely with the tang of the Virginias as well. So really nice, refreshing, invigorating blend. It wasn't too overwhelming. It just all comes together really, really nicely, and as I said, with the actual consistency of the blend, it makes something that's very easy to light, good for a smoke in the morning. I can imagine it being quite nice after a heavy meal as well, if you want to fresh your palate up. So I'm genuinely amazed by this blend. It really wasn't what I was expecting at all, and I'm really glad I've tried it because I can see it going into my rotation a lot. So if you're somebody who's looked at the name Medium Flake and gone, that sounds a bit boring, as I had done before, don't let that put you off. Give it a try, because I think you'll be really pleasantly surprised by the outcome. If you do want to try it, it's available as always at turmeaus.com. If you do try it, I hope you like it. Let us know what you think. And as always, if you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in future. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.